your boy Yoki, Black Shynaz TV, and I'm just saying, if I die today in this fucking crazy ass fucking weather, man, I'm glad I canceled the party tonight, cause if I'm having a tough time driving in this type of weather, I could just only imagine what everybody else was encountering. And look at this bullshit. Now y'all look at this bullshit that's going on right now. You ready? Why is this motherfucker parked in the middle of the road while he know that this shit looks like this? Fucking dumbass. Look at this shit. Now I gotta be sitting here burning out like a motherfucker now, man. Wow. I got them bald ass tires, man. That's what happened, man. Trees are down and shit. Every fucking where. I seem like there's a traffic jam up here. Probably there's a tree down and shit. Yo, this shit is crazy. This snowstorm like straight up snuck up on us out of no fucking where, man. I'm fucking paranoid than a motherfucker. I don't know the fuck's going on. These trees could come down on us at any fucking time. Look like one of them came down on somebody up there. I'm just hoping that shit don't happen to me. Holy shit. What the fuck happened here? Somebody fucking got in a mean accident, man. Oh my god, yo. I hope everybody's fucking okay out here, you know? Look like the fucking Lakeland bus is stuck. There's cars going around it, but we're gonna see. People are busting U-turns and shit. I don't know what's really going on. Let's see what's going on out here. You hear that shit? That's my motherfucking car, man. This shit. I should have fucking drove the Audi, man. Oh boy, this is gonna be fucking bitch. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys up to date if I make it or not, alright? Peace.